Hey guys, it's Kirbie. Welcome back to Kirbie Tries. Today I'm actually trying out a product that I'm so excited about. It is Ardell's magnetic lashes. Now you guys are definitely familiar with magnetic lashes. There are this OG version that are circulating around the internet. They cost $70. $70 bills. What can you get with $70? That's like 2 tanks of gas for me in LA. That's like a blowout? Or 2. It just seems like a lot of money to spend on a fake lash. These babies are only $14, and not only that, you can get them super easy. You can get them at the drugstore. They're being sold at Ulta. It's time to put these little magnetic babies to the test. There are a few different types that you can choose from. So the original magnetic lashes were accents. They just went on the outside of your lashes. There's Accents 01 and Accents 02. Making it easy for us, Ardell. Then we have the strips, and I'm actually more excited for the strips because I actually had tried the accent lashes from a different brand, and it was the struggle bus was real. I couldn't figure it out. So these accent lashes right here, they have 3 little magnets along the band. And that's gonna help to secure them instead of using glue. That's why everybody is going crazy about them, because a lot of people struggle when it comes to putting glue. For me, when I tried the original pair of magnetic lashes, the one thing I didn't like was that I felt like the magnets were in the wrong spot. When I put them on, they were flaring up, they didn't look natural. It also felt like they weren't really staying on my lash line very well. So I'm very pleasantly surprised to see that even on these accent lashes, there are 3 magnets. Always apply your mascara before you put on these magnetic lashes because you definitely want to extend the life of these lashes. So I'm gonna start off with the accent lashes. These are the 001s. So the first step is literally just placing it on your lash line. Now this is gonna be the test. Seeing if I can do this properly. I'm holding it by the longer end. And I feel like this just is gonna take a lot of practice. You can see how this is like hanging off the side. So I feel like I need to undo it and move it. I wish they had something that you could use on these lashes that wasn't metal so they wouldn't stick to it, but like would help you place the lashes, because I feel like that's where I struggle the most, is just getting them in the right spot. When I look to the front, I feel like everyone's like, ooh, that looks nice, but then when I kind of like turn, you can see a little bit of it, like a gap going on. I feel like I'm gonna like the strip lashes better. I really want this to work for me, people. So these are the doubles. They're the more natural strip, and they have 4 magnets. So when I put down the lash, you can see this end just kind of sticks up. I'm having trouble making it curve to my lash line. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait. Maybe I will use struggle. The struggle is real. Just stay down. Just stay down. Why is it doing that? Okay, guys, so I tried my hardest. I really wanted this to work for me because when you see something trending, of course, you want it to work for you. I tried an accent pair and a strip, but mind you, I've also tried a variety of other brands and I cannot get this to work for me. So I think I know now, this is just not something for me. I have a little bit of a downturned eye. So when I'm applying these lashes, it is crucial that A, the top part stays in place, and B, that I make those ends connect and they're as close to my lash line as possible, and I just can't do that. Here's the other thing. So these didn't necessarily work for me, but 2 of our editors on the site fell in love, one with Ardell's and one with another brand, and they look amazing. The pictures, I'm like, that's why I was really excited to try these, because the pictures looked so bomb. You can see them right here, Brinton and Aimee. So everybody's different. This might work perfectly for you, but it just didn't work as well for me, okay? What is my verdict? I'm giving it a 3.5. We've never had half of a Kirbie before. We're gonna bust it out for this one. I think they're definitely cost-friendly, friendly on your budget. The quality of the lash is great. I really wish that the ends of this lash were, forming to my eye a little bit better, because I really like the way they look. All that being said, Ardell magnetic lashes, pick up a pair, try them out for yourself. You probably spend more money at Starbucks in a week than you would buying one pair of these. So I say it's an easy and very budget-friendly beauty purchase. And have fun with them. That's the whole point of beauty. If you don't like something, you don't have to wear it, but at least give it a shot, right? You can tweet me. I'm on Instagram at Kirbie Johnson and my Facebook page, Kirbie Johnson TV. Click over, send me a DM. I gotta get out of here. Shout out to Cardi B. I'm gonna start shouting out people on this show, and the first one's Cardi B. My boo, I love ya. Goodbye.